Hello, and welcome to Math 116 college course of linear algebra and matrix operations. I'm your teacher. My name is Olga Pilipets. You can call me Miss Olga, and I'll be teaching this class. So in this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to introduce you to the course. I'm going to tell you how it's going to work, where you will find everything, and where you will find the course schedule and what's expected from you. So let's begin. So first, I'm gonna tell you where to find the course materials, where to find your course. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna open your internet browser and you're gonna type in www.sdmesa.edu. Since this is your Mesa, the course is offered through Mesa College. You will find it on Mesa website. Then you're gonna click on Canvas right here. So by the way, this is the Mesa homepage. You're gonna click on the tab that says Canvas. And here you're gonna log in and you're gonna have instructions on how to log in if this is your first time. I believe that you need to put in your college ID here into the first field, and for the password, it's gonna be your 8-digit birthday. But again, if that's your first time, you're gonna have the hints on how to log in, and then you can change your password later. I don't think you can change your user ID, but I think you can change the password later once you log in. So let's say you log in and it's going to show my dashboard right now, my account, but if it's for you, it's going to show your account, and in published courses, you're going to have this course um, fall 2023 Math 116 CRN. This is the course number 42457. So once you click on the course, you will see this homepage, right? Where again, it tells you which course you're looking at, and it gives you information about me, my name, where I'm located. And I just want to tell you right away, I'm going to hold office hours on Monday, Wednesday, 10:10 through 10:11. And this is the link to the office hours. So you're welcome to stop by if you want to, but I don't think it's very likely since you're going to be located at a different location, but you can always connect with me through Zoom. So if you click on this link, if you don't have Zoom set up, it's gonna take you through the setup of Zoom. But after that, you will be able to connect and talk to me through Zoom. All right, so this is my picture with my bio, which says that tells about my education, tells you that I have a master's degree in mathematics, and tells you the courses that I taught, which is basically everything that Mesa College offers, almost everything. All right, we'll not stop too much here, and there are quick links for students. This is a link to student services, resources. There's Canvas support. If something is not working in your Canvas course, feel free to call this number and ask them. So last week I had a student who she said that she could not log into Canvas to her Canvas account um, for any of her classes. I gave her this number. 10 minutes later, she was able to log in. So give them a call if you have any problems. Okay. There is more support for you guys, and there is a tutoring link. Actually, it's right here, MT2C online and in-person tutoring. So you can always schedule an appointment with a Mesa College tutors. I strongly encourage you to use this service. It's free for you as now you're a student of Mesa College. Otherwise, it costs a lot of money, but for students, it's free, and feel free to use these wonderful services. All right, so this is your main menu. I'm gonna turn on the student view because right now we're in the instructor view. So your view is gonna be slightly different. So now we are in the student view. And this is the menu that you're gonna have. You're gonna have home, you're gonna have assignments, you're gonna have modules, textbook, grades, and online help. I may add the Zoom link for office hours here on the main menu so that you could access it from there, although you can always access it from the homepage. All right, so you would usually go to modules. And by the way, if I post any assignments, announcements, I mean, then they are gonna appear here. So far, there are no announcements in this course. So there's nothing here. It says recent announcements, and there is nothing. That's because this course is started. I haven't posted any announcements yet. But once you log in to the home page, make sure you kind of like quickly scan to see if there are any updates, any announcements on this page. Okay, so then you're gonna go to modules. That's where you're gonna find all of the information, all of the assignments that you are supposed to do. So the first module that you're gonna see, student resources. So what are you gonna find in student resources? You're gonna find your syllabus. And so let's go over your syllabus right now. If you click on your syllabus, basically a syllabus is a contract between your teacher and you, a student, and it describes everything about the class. So if you ever forget something, or if you're wondering about how something works, that's the document that you're gonna refer. So let's briefly go over the syllabus, what you will find here. So again, you're gonna find everything that's on the home page, information about me and the links, the materials that you need for this class. Obviously, you need internet access to access Canvas. This is how you log in to Canvas. You will be provided with lecture notes via Canvas in PDF format. And I do encourage you that you print those out and take notes as you watch the lectures. The lectures will be posted on Canvas. Textbook is optional. You don't need a textbook. But if you like to have a copy, it's available for the download right here. If you click on this link, it's going to take you to Algebra and Trigonometry free textbook from OpenStax. And you'll also need a calculator. I will be using a TI-36 Pro calculator. It's a simple scientific calculator, but you don't have to buy this calculator specifically. If you just have a scientific calculator, that will do. Okay, so let's see. Let's click on this link, control click, and see how it's opening a new tab right here. That's where your free Algebra and Trigonometry book is going to be located. You can click on download a PDF or order a print copy and or view online. And when you click on the table of contents, it's gonna open up the chapters for you, and you can click on any. For example, if we're studying section 2.2 linear equations in one variable, you can click on that link and it's gonna open up that chapter of the book for you. All right, so this is the book. Let's continue with our syllabus. The course description: College and Matrix Algebra is designed to strengthen the algebra skills of students seeking business or natural science degrees who are required to take an applied calculus course. Topics in the course include the theory of functions, graphing functions, exponential and logarithmic functions, solving equations involving algebraic, exponential, and logarithmic functions, solving systems of linear equations, matrix algebra, modeling, and application problems. Analytical reading and problem-solving skills are required for success in this course. So, but since you are in this course, I think your counselors and teachers decided that you have all of those required skills. So we're not going to stop here for too long. This is student learning objectives. Basically, again, the topics that we're gonna look at, and I encourage you to read those if you have time. What to expect in this class. We'll be exploring new concepts and learning how to apply them. We will cover a lot of material in a short time. I cannot stress that enough. The college courses are going really, really fast, and we're covering a ton of material. There is no time to catch up. So once you fall back, it's very difficult to catch up. So try not to fall behind. Okay, you will be required to watch pre-recorded lectures, as we already mentioned. In lectures, I introduce topics, teach new terms, show examples, and provide tips on implementing concepts. You must understand concepts before applying them. By watching lectures first and completing the assignments next, you'll understand the material better. Remember, you're responsible for absorbing the material, asking timely questions, and asking for help when you need it. As concepts build on each other, understanding is crucial. I'm here to help. Okay, so if you do need help or have a question, I want you to let me know how. Method number one, you will talk to me during office hours using that link that I just showed you. And number two, you can send me a message through Canvas. And I'm gonna show you where to find your inbox once we exit the syllabus screen. Okay, so what are we gonna do in how you're gonna be graded? So here's the grading scale. We're gonna do some exploration activities and discussions. Those are 25%. Sometimes to introduce a topic, I will be asked you to do some activity or discussion. So that's 25% of your grade. Practice, homework is another 25%. Review quizzes or knowledge checks. I think I called them knowledge checks in the tentative schedule. Those are 25%. So what are those? Before each exam, I'm gonna give you like quick quizzes. Treat them as practice exams by topic. So they're gonna be in the same format as your exams, but they will cover one topic at a time. And you can take them as many times as you like, and they will basically train you to take the test and to remind you about the topics that you learned and that you're supposed to know for the exam. And you are gonna have 3 exams in this class that are also worth 25%. So each portion of this, um, yeah, each type of assignment is worth 25% of your grade. They're equally distributed. So each type of assignment is as important as the next one. All right. So people who do score 90 to 100% in this class will get an A. From 80 to 89% is a B. 70 to 79 is a C. 60 to 69 is a D. And below 60 is an F. And I believe that you have to score at least 60 in order to pass this class. I'm not sure though. You should ask that, clarify that with your counselor. All right, outcomes. I'm not gonna read that attendance. Just know that I can drop you from the class if you stop participating. So if you're missing a few classes, just let me know what's going on. COVID policy, we're not meeting in person, so it doesn't matter. Academic integrity, cheating and plagiarism will result in a permanent 0 on an exam or assignment. So, and that may adversely affect your grade and even your ability to pass the class. So don't cheat, please. And you need to learn the material anyway. If you don't and you just pass, let's say you cheated your way out of this course, and then you have to take the next course up, like calculus or trigonometry or whatever course you're planning to take next. This is gonna bite you because in math, everything builds on the previous material. So if you don't know this material, you will not be successful in your next class. No way. So your goal should be to learn this material as best you can, because you have to, you will be expected to know this for your next class. Okay, DSPS accommodations. Students with disabilities who may need academic accommodations are encouraged to discuss their authorized accommodations from San Diego Mesa College Disability Support Program and services with their professors early in the semester, so that the accommodations may be implemented as soon as possible. Um, if you are requesting accommodations for the first time, you must contact the DSPS office. This is their phone number and their email address. So you please do that. And for those students who have their accommodations through school, through high school, you still, in order to get accommodations in this class, you still have to go through the Mesa College DSPS office. So if so go ahead and contact them, but if you have any questions, let me know. I'll try to help you out with that. All right, and as I mentioned before, there is free online and in-person tutoring available for you, so you can schedule your appointment, I think, here by clicking on this link. So yeah, this is it. Let me know if you have any questions. If not, we're just going to continue to the course schedule. All right, before we go to schedule, I just wanted to mention that right here you have your inbox. This is where you can send and receive messages. Okay, so I don't want to click on this because it's gonna bring up all the emails from my students, but you would click on the inbox and you would click on compose and then go through here, through there. You're gonna select who you're gonna send the message to. You're gonna have a limited choice. You have to actually select a person that's either your instructor or your classmate. It's not like a regular email where you can type in any email address. It's not like that. It's just within Canvas. But you can basically send a message to me through here. Let's take a look at schedule. Your schedule is already made up. It's tentative, so it could change, but I'll try to keep it the same. So you see here, it tells you what we're gonna do today on Monday, and you already know what you're gonna study on Wednesday, and then the following Monday, and so forth. So everything is already done. So on September 20th, you're gonna do knowledge checks, which is basically your practice or review quizzes or practice for the exam, which will cover all of these topics that you learned before September 20. And then take the test on September 25th. And then we're going to do the same thing, just continue learning, learning, learning. And then the knowledge check again on October 18th. And then the exam. You know what? I think I forgot that we have a holiday on September 4th, so I have to redo the schedule. Dang. So, yeah. Okay, we have a full break on November 20 and the week of November 20. So the college will be closed during that entire week, so there will be no classes. And we're going to have our last day on December 13th. The semester ends on the 16th, but our last class meeting is on December 13th. So keep that in the back of your mind. All right, what else do we have here under student resources? So general Canvas help. Again, if you have any questions, there are tutorials here that you can see. Also, there is a factoring handout. So that basically a summary of all of your factoring techniques. So it's not tied to any specific topics. It's just something that you need to know from your previous algebra class, and it's probably the most important thing that you need to remember from your algebra class. Also, I attached the graph paper here. If you need to print the graph paper, it's available for you. Then week one, so today, Monday, uh, is the orientation. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna have the week. The material is organized by a week, each week. So whatever week is current, I'm gonna put it on top of the feed, so you will always be able to find the previous week by scrolling down, but the current week will be on top. Okay, so and there in the module, you're gonna see what you're expected to do for that week. So for Monday, I want you to update the Canvas profile, because it tells you there are a couple of videos there that you're going to watch on how to set up your profile, how to update your picture, how to update your notifications. And you do want to update your notifications because otherwise you're going to receive a notification for every move that I make in Canvas. If I edit something, and sometimes I edit a lot once I start editing, I do a lot at the same time. And once one of my students complained that she was receiving an email that I changed something every 2 minutes. On one day, she got like, I don't know, 20 emails. So that doesn't happen, you should update your Canvas profile and select how often you want to receive notifications and so forth. So I do strongly encourage you to do that. Also, we are gonna you're gonna submit your work as a PDF file a lot in this class. So I'll ask you to work out a problem, take a picture of it or scan it and submit it to me for grading. So this assignment right here, create and submit a PDF, will teach you how to do that. So I'd like you to actually do that today and also share a meme. Use Learn how to use a Canvas discussion board to post things. Basically, these are some very simple and fun activities, like about the PDF. A lot of times people ask me also, what do you want me to submit? Whatever you want to submit, just whatever you want to submit for this one. All right. Then I'm gonna have the lectures. So right here, you can, the video lessons. Okay, so right now there is a video lesson on order of operations here, so you can click on it and start learning. And there are usually some practice after you watch the video. I would have a practice assignment as well. So let me pause for a second. All right, so I updated this module. So now you have a video lesson for factoring polynomials. We have a video lesson for order of operations. That's what's on our menu for today. Remember, like if you recall the class schedule, that's what we are supposed to cover today. And then once you watch these videos, you have an assignment to practice right here. All right, so I actually made available one more thing for you, which is right here. It says tutorial how assignments work. And I do want you to watch that as well, because it goes into details how to work these assignments, how to make sure that how to, first of all, it goes over how to enter your answers, how to enter, for example, how to type in a fraction, a square root, things like that. Also, what to do so that you don't get locked out of the assignments, how to save them, how to submit them, stuff like that. So please, and how to get extension on your homework if you need it. So all of it is in that tutorial. So please go ahead and watch it. And so basically for these assignments, we are gonna use a third-party platform called My Open Math, and this tutorial basically teaches you about that platform. So, you guys have your work cut out for today. After you finish watching this video, you need to log into Canvas course and you're gonna do all of this. The Canvas profile update, share a meme, create and submit a PDF. Also, go ahead and try out Desmos because that's another thing that we're gonna do. Watch these tutorials, watch these lessons, and after that, this is your homework. Whatever you can do during the class, the rest you can do at home. And by the way, um, college courses, they do give you do have a lot of homework. That's the truth of it because whatever you usually cover in a whole year, in college course, you cover the same material in 16 weeks. So, and that means that you're gonna do a lot of stuff at home by yourself. So go ahead and watch those and um, yeah, and do the assignment. This is the assignment with this symbol right here. That's the assignment that's being graded. The order of operations and factoring polynomials. Okay, I will actually also, I see that I don't have one more thing. I'm gonna give you a PDF of the class notes that I'm using when recording the video lessons. So I'm gonna list them the first thing right here. All right. So let me know if you have any questions and I'll see you soon.